Okay guys, we're back and today we're gonna make Southern Comfort Mega Tea. And to make this, we're going to use our raspberry herbal tea concentrate. We're going to use our tropical flavored liftoff. We're gonna use some pineapple sugar-free drink mix, and we're gonna use some orange sugar-free drink mix. What I'm gonna do is start with crushing up the liftoff tablet because it comes just in a big effervescent tablet. So to get this to mix up a little faster, I'm literally gonna whack it with a spoon to crush it up. Okay, now we'll put this in the bottom of the cup. And our herbal tea concentrate. Also in the bottom, about 1/4 teaspoon of the orange sugar-free drink mix. And just a little bit of warm water to make that dissolve fast. Okay, while this is dissolving, I'm gonna mix up the top drink. So we're gonna use our pineapple sugar-free drink mix, and also about 1/4 teaspoon. Okay, now this is all the way dissolved. We're gonna fill up our glass all the way to the top and a little over with crushed ice. And a little bit of water here to separate our colors. Now, top with this one. And there we go.